everything. So today we can continue with what we have discussed in our previous video, the Cloud skills. I think there is some guide on how to put it. So it's 33-page slides. Yeah, complete guide and all of that. So this is the first one we will do. So let us go through and see what it is and how we can controls, introduction, environmental, planning and design, HTML integration, distribution and sharing, items and troubleshooting. This is environment. So introduction we discussed in the last video. The skill is a set of instruction packaged into simple folder wise structure that we have in a normal desktop application. The laptop that we use and we organize files for accessing in different folders. So this skills the folder level triangle and everything. This is for the custom agent builder. So they can make these files based on the task that you assign to them. So it is saying that skills are a powerful general repeatable workflow, like generating front-end design from the specs, conducting research with consistent methodology. These are repetitive tasks where the set of steps are pre-designed, they do not change. Creating documents that follow a team's style guide, orchestrating multi-step process. So they work with Claude built-in capability of code execution, document creation. And also it is in the for those building MCP integration, skills have another powerful way of helping the more you access the AI optimize. So it is saying that MCP that we have created earlier, they will come into picture. We will add them as a set of tools when the sign agent works on a particular task and it tells the things that this particular tool is doing, you can call on that tool. So the sensitive part which we were saying that it will work in just a chain, as a simple chain for your entire workflow. So what we are going to learn, we are going to learn technical requirements and best practices for skill structure. How do we create skills for agent? Patterns for standalone skills and MCP enhanced workflow. So the two things I can do. One is the standalone where we have no MCP and another is with the MCP. Because MCP is of course going to workflow. Patterns which will work well across different use cases, how to test and iterate. And this is for the developers, how to use those things. So two parts of this guide building is fundamentals, planning and design, and category 1-2. Enhancing MCP integration skills with some solutions in category 2. Okay. So we can follow the first part format in the session. You can follow the MCP integration. By the end, you will be able to build a functional skill in a single setting. About working skill. Okay. What are the fundamentals that we have learned? That we have learned. Skill is a folder which contains skill document, scripts, consoles, assets. Skills is a mark monitor and monitor. What are the core design principles? Progressive disclosure. Like stepwise instructions we provide. The first level, second level, third level. In the first level, we provide like how we have a bit of multi-level folder structure folder design in a PS folder design. So similarly, we provide multi-level folder structure to this design skills. So why we can do it so that it minimizes tokenisms. So the input token, output token, both are limited. And also it is also the composability. Cloud can do multiple skills simultaneously. So skills would work well alongside it. not assume it's the only capability. Okay. So same that since cloud would have multiple skills. So we design our agents and that we should be that the particular folder or particular skills that we are creating, it will be able to work with the other set of systems or other set of folders. And what is the portability? Portability means that cloud AI code API create skill once and that you can use it in multiple other scenarios. Okay, for MCP builder, skill is connected with MCP server. So they provide also an energy kitchen. MCP provides a professional kitchen access to tools and agents that we already discussed. The skills provide recipe, how those tools will be executed. This is quite clear now. The skills are the knowledge on which these tools will work. You create tools, the tool, the person operating the tool does not have the knowledge. So that is the skills to give knowledge to the tool. Tools will have it expensive. Okay, why this matters for your recipe users? Okay. Without skills, user connect to the recipe but don't know what to do next. Suppose we can ask you how you will do it with your intention. Which can we are saying that what is the difference between that skills or that skills must be provided. So suppose a company which has launched MCP for the end users, they do not have this knowledge thing without this. So these are gaps they are going to see your end user. With the skills they can see consistent reliable, they can know how to use it. Okay, planning and design. We start with use cases. So right now we will identify 2-3 concrete use cases for this tool. So before this tool knowledge everything, we should identify what this knowledge is for what we are going to create. So they have taken some example, good use cases. Use case is a project sprint planning. The project that we do, we plan and sprint weekly, so twice, 2 weeks. So what's the trigger would be? The trigger says, help me plan this sprint or create a sprint task. So steps would be at which current project status for linear or linear is a project builder tool that is at it is similar to how we have zero platform. So this is the linear tool. And what are the steps it needs to be analyze to velocity, capacity, and to this what is the capacity that we QT and productive requirement. That is just the prioritization. So this is the same that we are going to create a sprint. We have these are the steps that we take to create a system. And this is the goal in which case. So what does the user want to accomplish? So these are some of the questions that you need to ask when you are going to create a skill. So what are the multi-stage workforce does this require? Which tools are needed? Or domain knowledge is needed? So common skill use cases category. At Anthropic we have 3 common use cases. First is the document asset creation. Tools for creating consistent high quality documents like presentation, app design, code. Here example is a front-end designer tool. Here the structure product create front-end interface with high level using web components, this is just one. Now they have divided this skill creation with common use cases that they have seen. The documenting skills. Documenting any of the project that we work on. Documenting the that you require each of the steps, multiple steps. Sprint planning, requirement document. It could be a meeting document, it could be multiple document. User format, complex category. Second category they identify workflow automation. Workflow automation is a multi-step process that benefits from consistent automation and coordination of multiple aspects of service. So workflow automation means that let's say take example of sprint planning. Now you say that in sprint planning these are the steps required. So let's say you are connected to you are getting the status of the delivery and you are connected to the MCP. Now you are analyzing team velocity and capacity. Let's say you are creating another MCP for analyzing team velocity, prioritization for any of these tasks. So it is saying that automating all these steps, you need this skill skill because these are multi-step that these are multi-step tasks, which is the workflow that you are automating. Not the technique step by step validation gives template for common structure because whenever you are asking using to create some document design or any skill, the best way is just provide a template on which you will base their creation rather than assuming you are looking for right? And built-in review and improvement suggestion refinement. And category 3 is the system enhancement. This is usually workflow guidance enhance the tool access as MCP server provider. So this is related to the workflow, work, but it is just enhancing those work. Enhancing in the sense that how the agent accesses the tool. An example is that automatically analyzes access detected for computer protocol using Sentry error monitor or ad agents. So let's say you have a PR in a particular uh, feature for this, you have a PR raised. Now Sentry is error monitoring data. Now Sentry has let's say their MCP server. Now Sentry through their Sentry MCP server, you monitor that it is a error in this PR and it will automatically analyze and fix those. Whatever the error has been analyzed from the field. So technique is coordinated across multiple MCP systems, domain expertise, context you need to provide, and error handling. Now just defining the success criteria. Whenever you are defining the skills, you're doing anything, let's say in a real life we create some project, some task. So we define what is the success criteria on which we are going to adjust the output of that task. So similarly, for skills we are going to use the quantitative, qualitative metrics. Quantitative metrics will be 90% of the relevant queries. It is a complex workflow in X tool called zero field API call. These are some of the metrics we can have. How to measure run 10, 20 test queries that will trigger in the scale. Track how many nodes automatically requires explicit invocation. Qualitative user does not need to prompt to order steps. Workflow consistency related for different systems. Now this file structure we already discussed the technical requirement. So the main skill for the skill document under which you have the scripts, references, assets. The scripts are the executable code, these are the documents, these are the templates. But this skill.mp is required mandatory for the rest are optional based on your nature of the skills and the goal you are designing. So they are using some of the critical rules. So the case sensitive and must be replaced in the MD. No variations can be the skill folder name. Use the case, no specific, no underscore, no capital, no read no skill folder. Why YAML front method the most important? How Claude decides whether to load a skill. So this is in the skills the most important parameter on which Claude will decide whether to load skill. So it requires the name in the description. Kebab is only no specific international folder in the description required. What does the skill do? And when to do? Under 124 character metadata, including a specific task. Mention file type. Let's say these are the compatibility metadata. These are also security restrictions. Content metadata is called system prompt. Registration code. So it will appear this in the system prompt. Writing effective skills. According to Anthropic engineering law, this metadata provides just enough information to apply to know when it is useful without loading all of it into context. This is the first level of the structure, what it does, first when to use, first quick apply, how they provide an example. Good, a specific and actionable, analyze, ignore, design, generate, develop, and develop document. Use when user acceptance, see file, ask for the design specs, compare documentation, and design the code. So they've given some description how this could be written for UML. It will be under 124 character and actionable like this action, analyze, then handoff. So these are some kind of actual actions that you could put in not automatically identified and code. As an example of help, because help, what kind of help? This can be used contextual quite clear. After the matter, you provide the actual instructions. These are the step one. Like for example, like the user sets up a new marketing campaign. It's a special step. This section is for steps that we talked about earlier. So these are the small options. These are the things what they have to do. Once user asks for what something. So when user sets set up a new marketing campaign. Now Claude will identify these actions because we have written in this structure. Fetch existing campaigns by RCP. Create new campaigns with file parameters. User to campaign created with confirmation. Common errors, cause, solution. Testing and iteration. Okay, I think in the next video we'll cover more the testing and iteration.